हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में पार्ट थर्ड हमारा जो आज का लेसन है उसमें देखेंगे एरिया ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल whose vertices are given. We have to find the area of a triangle whose vertices A are x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Let in the Cartesian plane we have a triangle ABC A B C. Here is O x dash y dash by O y dash. We have a point whose coordinates are x1 y1, point B x2 y2, point C x3 y3. Now we have to find the area of this triangle ABC with the help of coordinate geometry. For this, area of triangle ABC is given by 1/2 x1. Here are three vertices of the triangle. We have to find the area. Firstly, we write x1 plus x2 plus x3 likewise, and then put the value of y. x1 by 2 minus by 3 in series. x1, 2 and 3 means by 2 by 3. x2 means by 3 minus again by 1. x3 means y1 minus by 2. Now this is the formula for finding the area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are given x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3. Now with the given formula we can solve the problems. Take an example. Find area whose vertices are. Find area of triangle whose ABC whose vertices are minus 1, 1, minus 4, 6, minus 3 and minus 5. Firstly, we draw these points in the Cartesian plan. Now, minus 1, 1, minus 1 and 1, here minus 1, 1, this is a point A, minus 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus, plus 6 upward, minus 4 and 6, point B, or -3 -5, -3 1 2 3, -5 downward, -3 -5. This is point C. Now joining these points, this is a triangle ABC. We have to find the area. First we write the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 and here by 2 minus by 3, here by 3 minus by 1 and by 1 minus by 2. Now we put the values of x1, x2, x3 by 1, by 2 and by 3. Here this is x1, this is by 1, this is x2 by 2, this is the point A and this is the point B, this is the point C, x3 by 3. We put these values 1/2 x1, this is -1 by 2, here by 2 6 minus by 3 -5 minus plus x2, this is minus, x2 is -4, this is -4 by 3, here by 3 is -5 minus by 1 is -1 plus x3 is -3 y1 is 1 minus by 2 6. Further 11 minus 11 plus this is -6 and minus plus 24, this is -5 or multiplication is -3 is equal to plus 15. Again -11 plus 5 or 4 9, 39, 39 में से -11 निकालेंगे 28 1/2, this cancelled 14 square units. Therefore, the area of this triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B, C given, we find area 14 square units with the help of this formula. Likewise, we can solve other questions regarding area of a triangle. We take an example, another. Let us take an example, one more. If so that Question 2, we have given A minus 5 7, B minus 4 minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6, D 4 5 are the vertices. We have given and we have to find the area of the given figure. Firstly, we draw x dash o x, y o y dash. We draw these points. A minus 5 7, minus 5 1 2 3 4 5, minus 5 plus 7 upward, minus 5 7. Say this is point A. Minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 1 2 3 4, minus 5. This is B. Minus 1 minus 6, minus 1 and minus 6. This is C. 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 plus 5 upward, 1 2 3 4 5. Here 4 5 point D. Add these points. This becomes a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. We see if we join the diagonal BD, join this diagonal with V, the whole figure divided into two triangles, that is ABD and DBC. We have to find the area of triangle ABD, this area, and the area of this triangle DBC, this triangle, add and we find the area of the whole quadrant ABCD. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. We know A, B and D, triangle A, B and D, not C. This is A, this is B and this is D. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, this is x3 and this is y3. Therefore, put the values 1 by 2 x1 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 minus by 3 5 plus x2 minus 4 by 3 5 minus by 1 is 7 plus x3, this is 4 by 1, here by 1 7 minus by 2 minus 5 plus 5. Further minus 5 adding 10 minus or plus 50 plus minus 2 minus 4 plus 8 plus 48 adding 106 and 2503 is equal to 53 square units. This is the area of this triangle, 53 square units. Now again we have to find the area of this triangle D, B and C. Here again, when we take this triangle DBC, then this D point is x1 by 1 and this is again x2 by 2 and this is C point is x3 by 3. So we take this triangle for finding the area. Area of triangle TBC DBC is equal to 1 over 2 x1 minus by 2 minus by 3 plus x2 minus by 3 minus by 1 plus x3 by 1 minus by 2. Then again we put the values 1 over 2 x1. Here x1 is this 4, y2 is minus 5, minus by 3 is minus 6, minus 6 is plus 6 plus x2, here x2 minus 4 by 3 minus 6 by 1 5 plus x3 minus 1 y1 5 y2 minus 5 plus 5. Now we further solve 1 by 2 4 1 plus minus 11 or minus 4 plus 44 plus and minus 10. Again adding these two, 48 minus 10 38 divided by 2 cancel is equal to 19 square units. Therefore, we find the area 19 square unit. Area of the triangle DBC. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle DBC. Area of the triangle ABC is 53 square unit plus area of triangle DBC is 19 square unit 17 square unit. Therefore, this is the area of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, whose vertices are given in the statement. Likewise, we can solve the area of other figures applying the area of the triangle. This formula for finding the value of the area of the triangle. With the help of this formula, we can solve other questions as well. With this, we can say coordinate geometry is very helpful for finding the area of the figures, likewise quadrilateral, triangles and other measurements in the daily life. With this, we complete our syllabus coordinate geometry. This is part of third, and नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम नेक्स्ट पोर्शन में क्या करेंगे वो अगले लेक्चर में हम देखना है। आज हम जहाँ ही अपना जो काम है विराम देते हैं। धन्यवाद।